Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm here to do my sinking funds today, and I'm going to take out the money from the rollover and use that today. Let's see what we've got. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 pounds. That's not bad. 60 pounds to stuff today. I'm going to use a wooden dice. Put that over there for the minute. Now let's see, because I want everything to be in frame. Let's leave that there. Money goes there, and then our binder, I'm going to take this out, leave that there. The last time I did my my sinking funds, I had stopped doing the daisies. I had stopped doing the well-being, the going out, and the hair. Now I've just had my hair done, freshly done. I'm so happy. It feels so good. It really does. Long overdue, believe me. Anyway, well-being is good as far as I know. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that at 25. I don't need anything. Actually, I may need some henna. I'm gonna go and check just in case, because I don't like to run out of my henna. I thought I would share. This is my henna that I use to colour my hair. That's the pure henna. And I also use the indigo. The indigo darkens the henna and make the mixture for my hair chocolate brown instead of henna red. It makes it nice, rich and chocolate brown when you mix it with the indigo. So that's what I use to colour my hair. I've got a seal pack of henna, and I just opened the indigo yesterday with the last bit of henna that I had opened. I think this is good for now. This is good for now, but I will be putting some money towards my hair because that envelope is empty. So we leave that as it is for now. Going out, let's see what we've got for going out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I've got a funeral to go to on Friday. Very dear school friend, mum passed away, so I will be attending that. So I'll keep that for going out. And then my hair, I will bring this to the front because I'm going to need to start putting that together. Now hobbies, let's see what hobbies has got. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, I will keep hobbies. So then it's just well-being and going out. It is fine for now. Let's just put that there so I don't get confused, because sometimes I just forget and I don't want to get things wrong. So let's start now. So what we got here, well-being's out of it, and hobbies, is that right? Oh, and going out. So we're not stuffing going out or well-being, but the rest we will do. Hair is 3, so spending is 2, hair is 3. Okay, let's go for it. All right, you could see it there. Right, okay. We've got 5, and 5 is labour. So let's put £5 into labour. we've got 6. 6 is hobbies. We are filling hobbies. 6 again, hobbies. Oh wow, 6 again, hobbies. All right. Okay, I have no intentions of buying any hobbies, any craft supplies or anything, so I might move some over to the hair envelope. Look at that, look where that is, right in the corner. Well, it's only fair that it's 6 again. It's only fair. Right. And then let's go again. 3. What's 3? Hair. At long last. At long last for hair. Okay. 3 again for hair. Good. Happy with that. Very happy with that. 1. Let's see. Well-being. We don't need that for now. 5. We've got labor. 3. Is that hair? Yes, hair. Lovely. Because I've got to get at least £60 for the next 3 weeks. 4. What have we got? Going out. We're not putting any money in for going out. 6. Hobbies. Wow. Hobbies is doing really well. 3. That's hair. Yeah, so the next 3 weeks I need to have at least £50, £60 for my hair. And 5 is labor. That's it. We're done. Now let me see what's going on here. So that's all done for now. We've stuffed. Good. Happy with that. So let's see what we've got for hair. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20. That is not bad. That's not bad for hair. And then for spending didn't get anything this today. No, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I might use this spending and going out for Friday. And labor, we're building on this still. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Let's get to 100 with this one and call it a day. And then hobbies now, let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We'll get to 50 for hobbies. Yeah, we'll get to 50 for hobbies, and we're done here. I'm glad with the outcome of how everything went today. Really glad that hair really came in good. Right, so that's me done for another sinking funds. And if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.